Hi guys, I'm Vinod Kumar. This is my final project for Advanced Digital Control Systems in UFH. Uh, the topic is policy mapping for a deterministic and stochastic process of a two-dimensional robotic arm, uh, getting the values of number of grid rows and columns from the user and the initial and final thetas from the user. As you can see, right now I'm gonna run the program with the parameters 40, 40 is the grid size uh, of the grid world translated. I mean, of a 2 degree of freedom robot translated to a grid world, and 30, 25 is the initial thetas of shoulder and elbow, and 100, 20 is the final theta values of the shoulder and elbow. Okay, now I'm gonna run it. It's running. This is the policy map. This is the grid world model. This policy map for a after 50th iteration for a deterministic, after 100th iteration for deterministic model. And you can see the deterministic model going on. This is for a stochastic model, probabilistic model. And this is the robot that I was talking about. This is the initial start position, and the one corresponds to the in a grid world. This would be the starting point, and this is the final end position, which corresponds to this point on the map. And after 250 iterations, this is how the value iteration map looks. And yeah, this is the policy of deterministic after 150 iterations. This is after 200 iterations for a deterministic motion model. And this is a policy iteration after 250 iterations for a probabilistic motion model. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna run the same program at the same start and end thetas, but then for a 60 by 60 grid world. It has started. This is how the 60 by 60 grid world looks like. The value iteration and the policy map at the end of 100 iterations. Yep. After 250th iteration, this is the value map, and this is the probabilistic model map after 250th iteration. And yeah, this is deterministic model motion model after 250th iteration. And again, these are the start and end theta values, grid world corresponding to that. Now I'm gonna show you the whole programming.